Voice control. The Philips Hue Outdoor Dusk to Dawn light bulb works with Alexa for voice control, includes Lily power supply. For the full Hue experience and to take advantage of voice activation, purchase the Philips Hue Hub. Search Philips Hue Hub or B016H0QZ7i to find this product on. Limitless possibilities. The outdoor lantern comes equipped with different mounting components. You can mount it on a flat wall, on the inner or outer corner of a wall or post, or on a pole or rain pipe. It's perfect for front yard lighting, deck lighting, porch lighting, around the door, garage or any place around your smart home where it matters. Brighten up dark paths with 16 million colors or all shades of white. No more complexity to get lighting outdoors. Go create and extend as you like. Do it yourself. The products are based on low voltage, safe to use and easy to install. To install, simply place the product in the desired location, connect it with the included power supply unit, plug and pair it to your Hue Hub. For best connectivity, your first Philips Hue outdoor light should be located within 30 feet from the hub or the closest Hue light in your house. You can extend the distance up to 60 feet from one Hue outdoor light to the next one. Metal and certain other materials can block the signal. Quality. Resistant, high-quality weatherproof material. Lifetime up to 25,000 hours and 2-year. Built to last. The Philips Hue Lily XL outdoor spotlight is made of high-quality, weather-resistant material. The smart light lasts up to 25,000 hours, and there is a 2-year. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. These lights, I bought 2, are solid, just as you'd expect from the Hue line. They're a little larger than I expected, much larger than the regular outdoor spots, and they have great output. If you already have a Hue system, these will integrate right in. Realize that you'll of course need a Hue bridge for these to work correctly.